So today we're doing a blind set. What you do is you set the tub in the hole, and then we got to measure down the distance from the bottom up, and of course get our centers in order to get the waste and overflow, the drain assembly, all put together on the back side of here and have it ready so when we put the tub back in, it will line up. First things first, if we take the measurement, 3 inches exactly off of that board. You videoing me?
Straighten it out just a hair because
Don't talk, because we're just going to cut the video out. Told you. Look at the camera. I need to be exactly a half inch taller than that. This 5/8 plus 5/8, an inch and a quarter off of that wood.